Hello, my name is Camille from Pump Technology Limited, and we're here today to talk about our high-level alarm range that we have through drain minors, masters, majors, duos and drain kings. So our first high-level alarm is our single high-level alarm. Very compact unit. Decibels and all the alarms will rate from 85 decibels. Just to talk to you a little bit more about what's inside the high-level alarm system. Comes complete with a 9-volt rechargeable battery, so if there is a power supply fault to the high-level alarm or power cut, but the pump system isn't working and there's a fault, the high-level alarm will still sound for about 10 minutes with the rechargeable battery in there. All of the high-level alarms will come complete inside the tank with a finger float. Again, if the pump fails for whatever reason, water level rises, indicates onto the high-level alarm, back to the high-level alarm, and it will sound off 85 decibels for you to come and have a look at the system and see what the issue is. It does come with a mute alarm button on there, because after a period of time it become quite annoying, but at least it's giving you the indication of there's a problem with the system. It has a test button on there, so from time to time you can test it to make sure it's still functional, and you don't actually have to undo the front of the unit to test that facility. Basically, that is the single high-level alarm, again for product for drain master, drain minor, drain major 60, drain major range, and that would be the unit to be selecting for them particular products. And the next high-level alarm in our range is the dual high-level alarm, obviously for twin pump systems, compatible with our drain major duo range, and it comes supplied with that on them products. It's the same principle as the single high-level alarm, hence it's dual, so the functions are the same. Mute buttons depending on which pump has failed and which side of the system it's indicating there's a problem. 2 test buttons that indicate that you can just go down there and try to test it anytime you want. You don't have to open up the front of the unit to gain that facility, which is a good function that we've put on there. Again, the decibel rating is 85 decibels. They all come supplied with the finger floats into the tank as standard. So the dual high-level alarm is for a dual pump system, obviously. Just give you a little bit more of an insight what's inside the system. Before we do that, I mentioned briefly about the test buttons. These are the kind of noises that you get from the test button. Obviously indicating that there would be a problem, even if the finger float sounded, that's the noise that you will receive. Inside the unit, very simple again, you've got your 9-volt rechargeable batteries, you'll have a mains power supply to that, which is an unswitched fuse spur. It's exactly the same on all of these high-level alarms. And then you would wire your finger float that comes from your pump system into the float connection in the middle. And it has a set of volt-free contacts on either side that can be indicated back to your building management system. Really, that's a simple dual high-level alarm from Pump Technology. And our final high-level alarm in the range is the safe flow. The safe flow has been designed to be utilised with single pump or twin pump system. So you can wire 2 pumps into it, obviously, or a single pump. The reason why we designed this is that we can utilise solenoid valves. Again, a 15mm solenoid single or 22mm solenoid single, or a twin version of that, depending on how many water supplies you have. The reason why we designed that is because if you have a washing machine or a dishwasher with a water supply coming in, there's a problem with the pump or the pumps. The high-level alarm will sound the same as the single or the dual alarm, but it has the added advantage that it would isolate a solenoid to close the incoming water supply to the washing machine or dishwasher. And let's have a little look inside the safe flow to see which actually is built inside. As you'll see, it has a lot more terminals, purely because you can use this system as a single solenoid connection, twin, and it has either the option of a single horizontal float or a twin horizontal float. So you can see that it's very versatile to match our range of products that we have. It doesn't have to be a twin pump system to utilise this particular unit. Again, it has the volt-free contacts, the same as the other single and the dual high-level alarm, to go back to a building management system, and it will send off the same 85 decibels. So we believe it's a really good option for isolating water coming in to your main washing machines or dishwashers. Hopefully that's gave you an insight into our high-level alarms that are available at Pump Technology Limited. I'm Matthew Camille. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to speak to you soon.